spring break, we decided to cool down. So we are in Anchorage. We just landed at Ted Stevens International Airport in Anchorage. So we're going to come through here, spend the night here. We're in Anchorage for a few days. We're going to go hit the glaciers. We're going to go dog sledding and do all kinds of other stuff. But let's go check out the airport first. Now, if you've watched my other travel videos, you know I have a bucket list of things I have to get wherever I go places. So for Hesian, it's Pandora. For my daughter, it's the state mugs or the country mugs. So block checked. Gotta find a Pandora though. So we lived in Fairbanks for 7 years, and we've seen plenty of moose. Mooses? Nah, it's moose. It's singular and plural all in one. That's how cool it is. But look how big a moose really is. So that moose from ground to the top of the antlers is probably almost 7 foot, probably about 6'8", 6'9". The rack on it is probably about 6 foot wide as well. Now, a pro tip for Alaska: if you see a moose and it has a baby calf, do not go anywhere near that calf. You will die. You will die. doing rideshare pickups between doors 1 and 8. Now they do have baggage claims split 1 through 3 and 4 through 6, so it shouldn't be too hard to find your baggage claim. So we got our luggage. We are heading to the rental car. The rental car is on the carousel 4 through 9 side. I think I said like 3 through 6. Numerically just lucky. I'm hungry. But over here on 1 through 3, they do have a visitor center and the USO. So we had to come down a level. Let's check this out. So if you're going to the Alaska Railroad or car rental facility, you'll come down here and experience the Northern Lights. When you come to Alaska, if you come in the wintertime, just make sure you get the full coverage because the roads get slippery, they put gravel down, there's all kinds of stuff that can happen here. With Avis, at least once you get your car, you gotta come downstairs, go through some double glass doors, go get your car, go check out, and they videotape the car for you. Make sure that they do have a brush in there for the snow if you're coming in the wintertime. And if you're gonna go to Fairbanks, make sure it has an electrical cord so you can plug your car in. It is cold. It's about 26 degrees outside. Don't find this in Texas very often. We made it to the car. Lucky for us, Avis left the windows half down, so it's nice and cool in here. Very breezy. But that concludes our time here at Ted Stevens International Airport in Anchorage, Alaska. If you have any questions about it, please don't hesitate to reach out. And I'd like to thank my beautiful assistants for making as much noise as possible while I film a video, because apparently I'm on whisper mode and she couldn't hear it.
I wasn't trying to, it just fell.
Fired.